Your scalp changed, not your hair. If your hair isn't growing back after menopause, this is why. I'm a certified trichologist and I've treated over 1,500 women with this exact issue. Every woman I see has tried something: supplements, serums, expensive shampoos, and none of it worked. Not because those products are bad, but because they never address the environment your follicles are living in. And in menopause, that environment changes. Here's what that actually looks like. Your scalp shifts into one of three states: too dry, too congested, or too little circulation. And all three interfere with normal follicle function. So even if the follicle is still there, it can't produce a strong, healthy strand. So you're trying to grow hair in a soil that's no longer viable. And no product will override that. Every product you've used is on top of the environment. It doesn't go into it, it doesn't go through it. So what happens is serums sit on the surface, nutrients don't reach the follicle, and circulation is not being restored. That's why these show temporary improvement at best, and then it stops. It's not failure on your part. It's a mismatch between what you're using and what your scalp actually needs. When I evaluate someone, I'm not guessing. I'm looking directly at the scalp environment under magnification. I'm checking inflammation, buildup, and circulation. And once you correct that environment, the follicle can function again. That's when hair has reason to grow back. Your hair isn't the issue. Your scalp environment changed during menopause. Every product you've tried went on top of that, not into it. And until that changes, nothing else will work. Subscribe. I post every week on menopause hair loss, and if you're seeing changes in your hair, don't wait. Book a virtual menopause trichology consultation. Link is in the description. I'll see you next week.